How to see or check your watch history on Twitter. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Vasnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can see or watch your watch history on Twitter. Now if you open up the Twitter application here, you'll get an face like this. Now if you tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen, and here you'll get list of options. If you scroll down below, you'll find settings and support. You want to tap on it, and the settings and support, you can see settings and privacy. You want to head into it there. Now here, first, what you'll have to know is that unfortunately you won't be able to see your watch history on Twitter on the application. However, what you can do is you can head into your account option there at the first, and then tap on download and archive of your data, and it'll ask you for you to request the data of your account. So you want to enter in your password, and once you enter in your password, you want to ask for your data of your entire Twitter. So once you get it through the mail, once you verify your information there, password and such, Twitter will send you a mail with an attachment with the entire details of your account, and there you'll be able to see your history as well. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.